imagine that you've found a way to surrender. You found a way to connect with the idea of what it means to surrender. What it means in your body, your physicality, your thoughts, your thinking. And you've probably found something which is repetitive, something which you can sink a little deeper and deeper into and start to almost lose yourself a little bit. And you do this for some time. We'll pretend, for the sake of this, that time is expanded and you're actually working a little bit more with duration. You might have even been doing this for like 10-20 minutes. Softening into it, digging deeper. And then someone comes towards you and they take your elbow. You respond. You keep the connection that you've already have. You allow the change to happen, but changing as a result of your surrendering into, rather than in direct response. You find yourself in a new scenario, and in this new scenario, you continue, you re-find. What is this? Where are you now? Something is maintained. And you continue. A sense of continuity really rests in the bones, in thoughts. From across the room, somebody looks at you in the eyes, and you take a moment to connect. Somehow. You expand that moment so that both of you really feel into it, and it's not just dropped or instant, it's really caught. Something happens, something shifts in the room, and the moment's gone. You continue on after having this experience from where you are now. You let yourself really feel into it, really drop into it. You start to acknowledge that you've moved below the surface of what you were originally thinking when you began. You might even start to let something be revealed that wouldn't normally be exposed. Maybe. You open and invite yourself to be moved by the other. And sometimes they don't take this invitation, but they are still there, and you allow their presence to shift you. Your whole three-dimensional body takes them into where you are. The landscape is yours, and the landscape is open. The landscape is between you and the other. You are stopped. You are moved. You are redirected. Stopped. Moved. Redirected. Stopped. Moved. Redirected. Stopped. Moved. Redirected. redirected around your senses, redirected around your body, redirected to include another, redirected to take care, redirected to be a little differently. You continue.